How to fix WhatsApp status quality. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can improve the WhatsApp status quality. The first thing you want to do is launch open WhatsApp on your device. Now you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From here, select settings. Now scroll down and find storage and data option. Here you have the option of media upload quality. Tap on that. Make sure to select this to HD quality. This is slower to send, but only the best quality will be uploaded. Now tap on the send option. Next thing you want to remember is WhatsApp limits status video to 30 seconds. If you upload a longer clip, WhatsApp will trim and heavily re-encode. Use your phone's built-in editor to cut exactly 30 seconds and export at 1080p before sharing for sharper playback. High quality uploads require stable bandwidth. On mobile, you can switch to Wi-Fi. On Wi-Fi, make sure your signal is strong or move closer to your router. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.